This is my car, and as you can see here, this light looks a bit downy as it's been forced in. The whole fiberglass behind that's been crushed from the accident I was in. It's got the shit wheels on it because, yeah, they need replacing though because they've got no tread left on it and it's at the wear indicator. So I need to do that as soon as possible, and that's all 4 of them. And what have I done inside? Well, what mods have I done to it really? Not much really. Got I'm retarded written on tape up there because I'm just a retard. Got my head unit, which is a bit fucked. Definitely need one of those. Oh, that's been for a lot. Got my little switch panel. That switch has stopped lighting up for some reason. Got to speak to the people on eBay for that because I've actually only had that switch installed for about 2 weeks, maybe less, and it's now stopped working. I've rechecked all the wiring. That's nothing the problem. The switch works, it just doesn't light up. I don't really want to have a faulty switch. But yeah, that switch actually turns on all the subs and amps in the back of my car because, well, I like a sound system myself. I think they're pretty good. You can see this is just ABS plastic back here, and then that's my aux cord for the radio because it was one of those. It has 2 RCA inputs behind it, so I literally just got an RCA to jack converter, cut it down a bit more so it fits perfectly through the plastic, super glued it in. Then I've got a little aux cord on the front, which I think is pretty cool actually, not gonna lie. And of course I've got the phone holder and cup holder, but yeah. You can actually get stock cup holders for a Golf that go there, but I'm yet to buy them, but I will at some point. But yeah, also got the red and black floor mats, red and black gear shifter and all that, because good colour scheme. Don't have a mat at the front though at the moment because it kept curling up into my pedals and then I just stopped being able to accelerate and brake at sometimes, and that's a bit dangerous. So yeah. Then my steering wheel, I've wrapped the bottom bit in paracord, which is getting a bit dirty now, as you can see in that. I put a red line at the top just for shits and giggles really, you know. Then in the back, not really much to see. I'll show you those speakers at the back in a minute. They're supposed to be a floor mat under each one, but they've both been pushed forward. So I'll get out and show you the rest. There's a little coupling for power. Right, so at the back here we've got amp 1, which powers the front 2 speakers and the 2 parcel shelf speakers. Then there's amp 2, which powers the sub alone. I need to tidy the back of my car really. There's my favourite hat. This subwoofer here has kind of destroyed itself over the last 2 weeks. Every single one of these screws has fallen out and I don't have the Allen key to fit it. It's perforated itself somehow. It keeps throwing itself around my boot even though I had it velcroed down. The whole box is destroyed and I just need it replacing really. Because the amp's holding up fine, it's just the actual speaker itself is just blowing itself to shreds. I'm actually going to uninstall that today and run without the sub for a while. Because the sound quality is still good without it, it's just, I prefer to have it. But I'd rather save money on fuel if it's not going to work. But here's the 2 parcel shelf speakers. That one works fine, that one's fucked. Yeah. This one's a bit... The wiring's fucked in underneath it and the grill's fucked as well. I need to clean that. Yeah. Debadged it because, you know, who wants everyone to know I've got a 1.6. Yeah.